Good morning, everybody. Thanks for waking up with us. Now 8 o'clock on this Wednesday morning.
Got a couple delays to tell you about on Nantucket Public Schools. If you're down on the island, you got a delay there, and Martha's Vineyard Public Charter School, both delayed by 2 hours this morning. So if you're on the islands, you know what's going on down there, because we're not seeing it here, but they're getting the bulk of what we're dealing with this morning.
Yeah, 2 to 3 inches of snow already on the ground there. So.
Snow White appropriately dressed this morning for the snow.
Thank you. Yes, I do match my mouse today, don't I? Yeah, so we've got snow this morning, but all of it falling during the morning hours. So once we get into the afternoon, we take more on that coming up. Back to you guys. You could get 1-2 snowflakes kind of floating around in the Boston area, but it's as you travel towards the south and east that you encounter more and more. Everything's kind of shifting offshore here. So as we travel through the morning hours, it's going to get lighter and lighter as you travel down towards the south shore and the south coast. I think it's going to maintain this moderate snowfall rate probably for a couple hours across the Cape. It's going to take probably until noontime for it to totally end across the outer Cape as well as Nantucket. But in the meantime, we've got that clearing line that's going to move into central Mass and eventually the Boston area, I'm hoping, by late morning. So 10 a.m. on your screen here. Notice the snow still falling from Provincetown down to Chatham, down to about Barnstable, as well as Nantucket. I mean, that's not a set in stone kind of line there, but you can see that the trend is going to be for everything to come to an end by late morning or early afternoon. At that point, we've got dry weather by 1 p.m. Our winter weather advisory is over at this point, and we've got increasing sunshine. Of course, sun is down at 6:30 this evening, but you won't have a worry in the world for the drive home from work. But do keep in mind that with temperatures only peaking in the middle 20s here across southeastern Mass, up and down the shore, even into the Boston area where it's going to be 25 degrees, and Worcester where it's going to be 20, there's going to be no melting of that snow today. So if you're getting the snow right now, until it's plowed, until it's shoveled, it's there to stay for quite some time, even into tomorrow. It's not going to do any melting. 2 to 5 inches of snow here, Cape Island, South Shore, South Coast. As you head north of Plymouth, though, we're getting into this coating to 2-inch range, and it's going to be less as you head towards the Boston area, where we have that little dusting of snow that you can see from the live shot there, as well up towards the North Shore, all the way across 495, and really down through about Worcester is where we have that coating possible. High pressure then slides in. You're going to love this because that means tomorrow we've got clear skies, we've got sunshine. After a cold night, though, I mean, the clouds, that's our blanket. So when we lose the clouds during the overnight hours, temperatures will continue to fall the longer it stays dark. So by daybreak tomorrow, we're at about 10 in Boston. We're in the single digits further inland, and then we rebound up to about 31 degrees in the afternoon. Nice sunshine on tap Thursday, though. This is Thursday afternoon, nothing going on. I love the way that looks, but then as we get into Friday and high pressure and our sunshine slip off the coast, we get our next disturbance moving in, and that's going to stir up a couple flurries and snow showers here. This is Friday at 1 p.m., so Friday afternoon and evening. Then the next weather maker to watch is going to...
It's got paint on it from where I hit a state paint can that was in the road. And I remember hitting that paint can and thinking, thank God that was a paint can.
Right.
Because it could have been a mattress, for example, and this is what can happen. It's surprising that this doesn't happen more often.
Yeah.
Well, the thing that's interesting to me, too, is, you know, just like you're saying, Gene, you can tie it down as many times, and then when you really get going, you just don't know the speed at which you're traveling, how the wind is going to catch things. But what puzzled me is this truck apparently moved over. They thought that they had maybe lost something or something had gone wrong. Apparently there were some reports that they pulled over and checked the back of the truck there and then kept moving on. So my question is, did they think that they had lost something? Did they know that they had lost something? Or was this just a case of, wow, something's not right here, let's just double check and let's...
Or you would figure they would know by now.
Right.
Based on the story and what happened, and you would hope that...
and there's a description.
Right, and you hope they would do, and maybe they are in the process of doing the right thing and coming forward and say, hey, look, that was us, and let's...
Complete accident, and we just didn't know at the time.
But then what happens? Is this negligent homicide? I mean, do you charge them?
That's the question. I don't know. And then going forward, you know, what
Well, there's
rules
I would think there'd be
there?
some fine for not properly securing whatever load you have, so...
There have been cases in the past where there's been snow that's come off the roof of a truck.
And that's a fine, right?
Exactly,
So I guess it would be the same type of thing, but it's so scary, and you're right, VB. It could happen to any one of us. MyFoxBoston.com if you'd like to weigh in on that. You can find us there, our Facebook page, too.
I'm going to take a break. We'll be back just a moment. It's cold. Just need that to be interpreted.
Once you get below freezing, it's all the same anyway, right? It is chilly out there. We don't have snow, but some people watching us from the Cape do.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, I had snow coming in to work this morning, and I know they're covered in the stuff, Shiri, on the Cape.
Absolutely. Getting some reports from Sandwich. In fact, I just got an email saying 4 inches. A viewer just called and spoke to Carol saying 5 inches out that way. So it's still snowing at a pretty decent clip across the Cape and the islands right now. Temperatures are in the teens. It is most certainly cold enough for it. And then we get the lighter and lighter snow showers as you travel up the South Shore here. So we've got barely any snowflakes left in spots like Scituate. Boston now drying out at 16 degrees and Worcester's at 9. And we're going to start to see broken cloud cover soon and some breaks of sunshine, which is going to be a nice change in pace. By 10 o'clock this morning, the only snow left is going to be for the Cape, I think Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. South Shore, South Coast, still dry. The heaviest stuff is going to be across the Outer Cape and Nantucket. It tapers off by about noontime today. And at that point, we're actually going to see increasing sunshine. All of us get some afternoon sun with highs in the teens and the 20s, middle 20s out towards Boston. I've got your full forecast coming up. Back to you.
All right.
It really is a heartwarming story. You know, they're more than teammates. He says they're his homies. And the basketball team at Newton North High School couldn't be more proud. They were playing really proud, too. He says he's never done such a big thing before, and he also says he's never been famous. And of course, Joy, we all know him now.
Yeah, he's very famous now as we go through the day. So a couple spots, many spots still holding onto the snow, especially over southeastern Massachusetts. East Sandwich now reporting 4 inches of snow. Fairhaven, 3 inches. West Tisbury, 2 inches. But this report is a couple hours old at this point, so I expect you're going to probably double that by the time I hear from you again. Nantucket, 2. New Bedford, 2. And just about 2 in Centerville, which is also a pretty old reading at this point. So a couple pictures coming in as well. This one from Len and Brewster, and you can see all the snow-covered cars out in that direction. Then from Marston Mills, I got Stephanie telling me that she's got over 4 inches of snow already. So all the snow reports really helping to kind of put the big picture together. And all I've done here is I've added one more swath of snow totals that you can see across the Cape and the islands here. Really from about Falmouth east, a 4 to 6 inch possibility, which is only an inch over the range I gave you before. But I'm just thinking with the reports coming in 4 or 5 inches from a couple spots at this point, I do want to bump a couple of you up to that potential of seeing 6 inches, though it's not going to be 6 inches everywhere in here. It's going to be more like 4, 5 perhaps. 19 degrees right now in Chatham and Nantucket, where we have some of that steadier snow. Also pretty steady continuing for the Vineyard, but it gets lighter and lighter as you head towards the South Shore and the South Coast, and it's going to be ending in these areas pretty quickly. So I'd say in 2 hours, you're going to be done with the snow out in that direction, and you too will see your clouds thinning out. So by 10 o'clock this morning, we've got the snow showers focused over the Cape, Nantucket, leaving behind Martha's Vineyard at this point, and then by about noon or 1 o'clock, they're going to end even for the Outer Cape. So it's going to be dry this afternoon for everyone with developing sunshine, that same sunshine that you're going to find areas north and west of Boston. By this morning, you're going to finally see that moving and working its way towards the Cape. Highs, though, 25 in Boston, 26 Chatham, 20 in Worcester, 23 Concord, New Hampshire, 26 Hartford, Connecticut. So the snow that we have in place today is not going to do any melting in the next 24 to really 48 hours here. 25 today goes down to 10 degrees overnight tonight. It's going to be a chilly night. High tomorrow, 31. And Joy, happy to say that tomorrow is...
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for sticking around with us. Now, 9 o'clock on the Fox 25 Morning News. We hope your Super Bowl plans are well underway because it's already this weekend.
Yeah, it's coming quickly. And coming up later this hour, we're going to talk to two guys who know a little something about the Super Bowl, Rondé Barber and John Lynch, who were teammates on Tampa Bay Buccaneers when they won it all. Now they're teammates with Fox Sports, and they're going to join us and talk a little bit about the Super Bowl and some things we need to be watching out for as the big game approaches.
Very cool. Excited for that. Meantime, it is out there this morning.
Yeah, very out there this morning.
All winter.
Yeah.
It kind of has. We've got clearing skies moving on in. So after this, snow. It's followed by sunshine. 2 to 5 inches for much of the Cape and the islands. I do have a little swath here where we have the potential of 4 to 6 just based on the reports I'm getting this morning. Really from about Falmouth eastward here. A coating to 2 for a section of the South Shore, South Coast as well. But into Boston, it's just a coating from the flurries that you saw earlier this morning. In comes high pressure along with the sunshine later on this afternoon. High of about 25 in the city of Boston. And we've got much more in that forecast coming up. Back over to you, Joy.